You'll get more clients, make more sales, and put more money in your bank account if you understand the buying cycle of customers today. Okay, so today people like to do research. So they find out about you, your coaching, your products, your services, and they end up going online and doing a minimum of 7 hours of research through 11 different interactions on a minimum of 4 different platforms. Okay, so if you provide that, a minimum of 7 hours of content online about you and your company, your product services, through 4 different channels, then you can provide your prospects and customers with the customer experience that they're looking for and they're seeking, and you will get more clients, make more sales, and put more money in your bank account. If you have any questions about this, just reach out. Again, Al Morenton, Podcast Marketing Secrets and Video Podcast Pros.